Hey, hey, crazy weather outside, eh? Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, yeah. Hello, everybody. The weather. It's hot, it's cold. I know, but those are some very boring answers. So let's talk about 5 different ways of describing the weather that are more specific. Before we continue with the video, please, I'd like to remind you to hit the subscribe, like, and notification bell. I greatly appreciate it. It's a great motivator for me to continue making these videos. All right, so let's talk about the weather. Um, why is it important to be able to describe the weather? You're not a meteorologist. You're not a weather forecaster. You don't need to know this detail. It's true. You don't need to, but there is such a thing as small talk, and I've talked about small talk before on this channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that's difficult for a lot of people, which is having small talk. Okay, small talk is a very simple thing to do. It's just a matter of being relaxed, asking very general questions, and not making people feel uncomfortable with too much interviewing. Okay, and when someone asks you about your day, you normally don't mention things like I slept all day. Maybe make it a little more interesting. Make it very short, and sometimes make it sound a little and it's important. It's an important skill to be able to have small talk. Sometimes we have small talk at work or at school. Sometimes we have small talk with our neighbors. You can really have small talk with anyone, your doctor, your dentist, your hairstylist or barber. Small talk is very important. And guess what? The weather is probably the #1 topic of discussion when you have small talk. Now, I'm not going to say that you need to talk about the weather for 10 minutes with anybody. That's not going to help you make any friends. Nobody wants to talk about the weather for that long, but it's just very typical to talk about the weather. First, let's start by describing hot weather, okay? You can say, it's boiling outside. Oh my God, I'm melting today. It's so hot. Or, I'm sweating buckets. Ugh. The sun is beating down so hard. It's only April. It's only April and the sun is scorching hot today. Okay, so we have words like boiling, melting, scorching. These are words related to heat. Now, let's talk about cold weather. If it's cold, you could say, ugh, it's freezing outside. Oh my God. I'm shivering. It's so cold. It's only September and it's already below 0 outside. Or I can see my breath. Okay. I can't feel my nose, or I can't feel my hands. It's so cold. Next one, rainy weather. If it's rainy, you could say it's pouring outside. Pouring, if it's pouring, it means it's a heavy rain. So, hey, don't forget to take an umbrella. It's pouring outside. Or, oh man, I am soaked. I am soaked. I forgot my umbrella. It's coming down hard outside. Ooh, I can't believe it's coming down hard. April showers. Or the typical one that a lot of people know is it's raining cats and dogs. But to be honest, we don't say that often. We're more likely to say it's coming down hard, or oof, it's pouring outside. Don't forget your umbrella. The next one is to describe humid weather. Humid weather is weather that is very wet, but not rainy, just wet everywhere. So you could say, it's so muggy today. Muggy, and I'm so sticky. I feel so sticky. The air feels so thick. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. So humid. And finally, this is to describe a sky that is not clear. That's overcast. Okay. When it's overcast, it doesn't look like it's going to rain. And maybe you don't see individual clouds in the sky. It's just gray. So it's overcast. The sky is gray. God, there's no sunlight at all today. Or, oh, today feels so gloomy. What a gloomy day. Okay, that's for days that are very gray. All right, so there you have 5 examples of weather and a lot of ways of expressing that weather through phrases. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day, wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, wonderful weekend, all right? Bye-bye.